welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our Azure DevOps task for copy file and publishing artifacts. How we can able to do this copy file and also publishing artifacts. How we can able to see these two topics we are going to discussing into. Okay, and even we saw the previous video some how we can able to get for build ID numbers and build a number and build ID and source branch and source directory and default work directory. These all are things we saw, right? Now we are going to see for these artifacts how we can able to create. Okay, and also we can able to see some copy file how we can able to write some copy file contents where we can able to store it. Okay, and if you comes to here there is a task, right? If you sometimes it will be the showcase assertions. Okay, assertions. Okay, now I'm going to I'll comment some of the things. I'll build a number, I'll comment, build ID also, and source branch. Okay, remaining two I'll keep it. Okay, pipeline variable and also default working directory artifact stage, because this particular one we got it as a empty last time, correct? Now even if you want to get something like a Java version and everything, that also will see. Okay, now we don't have any artifact, right? But also we have some default location, it is showing something. Okay, and if you want to change for the default working directory or what exactly the file and something there, right, you can able to use it. Like how means just show us assertions, and here you can able to type as a copy file. Okay, in the copy file you can able to click copy file, then it will give you four. There is three different steps. Even if you want to add for some more things like uh, clearing the target folder, and if you want to overwrite that particular folder, and if you want the format, if you want the target folder name is some timestamp and how much delay and all, you can able to add it. Okay, if you want. Okay, now in the source folder location, which is the name you want to keep it, that name you can able to specify. Okay, now I'm going to specifying this particular name. Okay, this is my variable. Okay, I'm going to specify my variable, this one here. Okay, now that is my uh, artifacts, default system directory. Okay, and here I'm going to mention for my directory another star slash, and I can able to provide after that dot PAML, that is a file format, and also we can able to for one more star, two star slash star dot TF. Okay, and the target folder, what type of target folder, if you want that particular target folder you can able to specify. Target folder is artifacts, and if you can able to use that, you can able to specify for build artifacts stage. Okay, and add it. Now we are going to access for default and all. Okay, now I'm saving. I'll copy these things because it is taking from there. Okay, now enter here, and you can specify like this, because the mouse, the source. Okay, we'll remove maybe. Before we need to add it, just we need to add more time. Copy file. The naming conventions, sometimes it will get the problems. Okay, and this is the one, and here uh, star slash dot pml, and we have double star slash dot star dot tf. Okay, and this is my file target location, and then we can able to specify here. Okay, and I'm going to add it now. See, now we can able to add this file here properly, because last time what happened, I have selected this particular one and I kept there only mouse, that's why it is overlapped that one. Now you can see the structure is as expected, it is presented. Okay, now I'm going to save and committing this particular one. Now still we are not done for artifact to commit. Okay, just we are going to creating for target artifact. Okay, but we are not created for anything. Okay, and just I have saved everything. Okay, just I'm going to run now. Now only I'm running for only one particular job, that is the first job, building job. Okay, and the first building job is completed, there we can able to see some of the things. Okay, and if you want artifacts to publish, that also we can able to see. This is artifacts is basically whenever we getting some build to release, right, that moment we can able to publish these artifacts. Now it is hidden. Now you can see copy file, it is happen. Okay, it is copied the file which is we have mentioned, those files is copied, and also it is checking for the entire things. Okay, the master place, you can see everything it is provided, and also it is completed for finishing. Okay, if you go for inside this, and you can see this is my artifacts location, and also it is having for some pipelines related, and this is my things. Okay, variables. Okay, and this is my copy file. It will copy for all the files, what all the files it required, all the files it will be copied without any fail. Okay, like this we even you can able to click the view raw logs, and there also you can able to see all the things. Now we have seen only for copy file how we can able to create the copy file, right? Now even you can able to go ahead for creating for publishing artifacts. If you want to publish, we can able to publish. How we can able to publish? Now here we can able to search for publish, publish build artifacts. Here the build artifacts. If you click this particular build artifacts, it will take as a parameter as a this particular artifacts only. This artifacts is required for artifact name. What artifact you want? Okay, demo artifacts staging. Okay, this is my artifact name, and this is the artifact publishing location. You can able to choose for any shared location or pipelines location, anything you can see. And the maximum size how much you want, you can able to specify if you want, otherwise not required. Okay, just I'm going to hit it now. You can see artifacts is added in the top position. It should not be added here. Come down, and here we can able to specify here. Okay, then and here we can able to add it. Okay, this is my artifact location. Okay, and you can able to see the artifacts, what are the things it is presented, that artifacts will be stored. Okay, and now I'm going to save, and y0 the pipeline is done. Okay, now I'm going to run. In case if there is any error, then we can able to get immediately what type of error we are going to get on the. Once my job is ready, and even we can able to see that artifacts, so what all artifacts are presented. If you want to get the list of artifacts, that also we can able to get it. Okay, and GitHub, and meanwhile I'll show you here also what you have to change actually. Now from here, uh, now here we can able to see here, right? This is a default working directory. There is a one specified ls rs I have specified. Similar format you have to use for build artifacts location also. In build artifacts also echo you can remove and ls space hyphen r. If you specify, right, what will happen? It will take that particular list of artifacts presented in that particular build. Those all information it will fetch it. Okay, now these publishing artifacts also it is syncing end of uploading artifacts and finished for artifacts added. This is the location it is published for that particular artifact. Okay, home this location. Okay, file is uploaded successfully. We can able to see previous we are not seen, right. Only copy file we have seen, but we are not seen for this particular artifact to be published. That also now it is done. Okay, similar format you can able to see all the things, what are the things if you want any view changes you can see one publisher. Okay, and if you click here and go for old one, see there is oh it is updated here, so see here there is no artifacts, zero artifacts previous. Okay, zero artifacts, and also it is disable mode, correct. But we have created pipelines and all, but we are not published any artifacts. Okay, now if you go for latest one, now this is my latest one, we are able to publish it. Now you can see one published artifacts is presented. If you click that particular one, and it will provide for some list of things, any information you can able to specify. This is a configuration location, and this is your file, and these are the Azure things. Okay, the Kubernetes related and backend related, and what all the artifacts you have published and all the information it will be presented. Okay, related to that particular project related configuration and everything, it will be published in that particular artifact publishing location. Okay, I hope it this information helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.